Michael Romeo, and I'm the Education Ambassador for the New York Metro team. Today we're going to be talking about the educational opportunities we have to offer here at ZimVie. I have Amanda Lynch here, who is the Associate Territory Sales Representative on Long Island. Amanda has been actively promoting our educational platform with her clinicians. Tell us a little bit about your educational platform and how you've implemented ZimVie's offerings into your practices.
Yeah, well, of course, Michael, thank you for having me. So one thing I've learned is that education is the key to success. And that is why the more I heard about what we offered here at ZimVie and how amazing these lectures and courses were, I knew this was something I wanted to start implementing into my practices. The first thing I have my clinicians do is download the free Zimmer biomet dental education app we offer. On this app, you can access all ZimVie education offerings, which includes our on-demand web-based programs, live CE webcasts, our DSD opportunities, institute programs, and much more. By downloading our Zimmer biomet dental education app, these clinicians now have access to all our offerings, some even being at no charge, and they can earn CE credits as well.
What educational opportunities would be free for clinicians if they downloaded the app today? Also, are there any offerings for practice management, as I get questioned about this often?
Yeah, definitely, Michael. I'm glad you asked. So all of our on-demand webcasts, live CE webcasts, and education videos are free once you download the app. As for the practice management, that would be free as well. So some examples of these courses would include CPR certification and OSHA requirement training. Plus, once you're in the app, you can find answers to questions you may have. For example, like how to restore an overdenture case. You just type it in, scroll down to videos, and it will take you through step by step on how to do so, whether you're working with a Zimmer or a 3i implant. Brought groups and individuals down to our various institutes. Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about how that works? An example about the costs and what's included?
Yeah, well, of course, Michael. So the first trip I did was with a general dentist, and I took her to the Intro to Implants course down at our institute in Carlsbad, California. For $449, the doctor gets a one-day hands-on course at our world-class institute, 2 nights lodging, and round-trip airfare, while earning 13 CE credits. Let's listen to Dr. Khanna, the clinician I took on this trip, to hear what she has to say.
Hi, I'm Dr. Khanna. I'm a general dentist working in Long Island, New York. In February of 2022, I took a Introduction to Implant Therapy course offered in Carlsbad, San Diego. It was offered by ZimVie. It was in a beautiful state-of-the-art facility. The course was taught by Dr. Rivers, who's a prosthodontist. He's absolutely amazing. I was able to quickly pick up on concepts, especially because it was a hands-on course, and come back to work and apply these concepts. I think that it was a great opportunity. Thank you, Amanda Lynch, my representative, who told me about this. And I really recommend all general dentists across of Long Island to take these courses.
I also did a trip down at our institute in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, with 7 of my clinicians for a tech form course we offer focused on avoiding complications in the interior aesthetic zone. For $299, the doctors got a one-day course, 2 nights lodging, and round-trip airfare. On the day of the course, me and my clinicians went to dinner with Edward Schlizzle, the speaker for the course, and it was a great opportunity to have them spend time and ask questions. Listen to Dr. Kapoor on her feedback from the course. Dr. Kapoor.
Hi, my name is Dr. Natasha Kapoor, and I'm a periodontist practicing in Huntington, Long Island. In April, I was fortunate enough to attend Avoiding Complications in the Anterior Aesthetic Zone in West Palm Beach, Florida. I learned a lot from this course, and I'm using their techniques in my practice.
Every clinician that has partaken in our education offerings, whether it's been at our institute, hands-on, or virtual, has already asked me when the next one is going to be. So Mike, would you be able to tell me a little bit about some new education opportunities that will be coming out within the next few months?
Thank you, Amanda. We run a world-class institute that provides in-depth training in restorative, digital, and surgical dentistry. We offer virtual courses, but most of the offerings are now in person. In 2021, there were 109,000 registrations for our medical education and training sessions. Our offerings include web-based learning, live clinical and case presentations, live and on-demand webcasts, international symposium, institute-based learning with 6 ZimVie Institute global facilities, 2 of which are cadaveric labs and 4 simulation labs, global symposiums, hands-on workshops, practice management programs, tech forums, field-based learning, hands-on workshops, hands-on workshops, hands-on workshops, regional programs, Implant Skill Z series, practice management programs, which are mostly regional, and hands-on workshops. Some examples of upcoming courses include the ZI Pathway series, which is a 1-day hands-on course on introduction to implant therapy in Carlsbad, California. Very, very beautiful there. I've been there a couple times. The guest speaker is James A. Rivers, DMD, MHS. There is a course offering on September 9th and 10th. There's a course covering 3D plan and print, partially and fully edentulous surgical guide by our guest speaker, Brett E. Royal, in San Antonio, Texas on September 16th. And he's from Implant Concierge. We also have a live implant placement course in partnership with Star Dental Institute, which is a postdoctoral live surgery dental implant training facility in Colorado Springs. Qualified dentists can expect to place implants on the edentulous, single and multi-unit patient treatments with live hands-on surgical experience, as well as implant-based restorations. In order to see the full list of our offerings, I would encourage you to download our education app. I'll provide the links to you at the end of this video. But before I let you go, Amanda, would you also be able to tell us a little bit about ZimVie's new patient marketing program, Smile Today? I heard it offers marketing tools doctors can use to educate their patients on the benefits of full arch restorations.
Yeah, well, you're correct, Michael. So Smile Today is the most comprehensive full arch education program in the industry, and it has grown case acceptance within every clinician's practice that has signed up so far. It's been shown to increase awareness of implant therapy and reach an untouched group of potential patients that many clinicians have not been able to reach in the past. Another bonus is that it is going to engage referrals in educating their patients, which will improve the patient's confidence and understanding of full arch implant procedures.
Wow, so what actually would be included in a Smile Today package, Amanda?
Yeah, well, I'm glad you asked, Michael. So some of the many benefits include that you'll be listed as a Smile Today provider on www.myrealsmiletoday.com, which is ZimVie's new full arch patient-facing website. The website includes patient information about the Smile Today process, as well as over a dozen patient and doctor testimonials. You'll also receive images, animations, and branding from us that you can use on your website, in office, or for patient education materials. You'll receive in-office signage and customizable patient print materials, which will create awareness in both the surgeons and referrals practices. And lastly, you'll have complete access to social media content that you'll be able to distribute on all platforms as well.
Wow, that sounds like a program that any clinician who is serious about their implant business would want to be a part of.
Definitely.
I encourage you to check out our Vimeo channel at vimeo.com/ZimVie. That's ZIMVIE, vimeo.com/ZimVie, where you can find our latest dental solutions, including the new Encode emergence abutments that function as a scan body, healing collar, and impression coping. Our new T3 Pro, which has a more aggressive threading and well-studied sure seal connection. Software solution which rivals that of Blue Sky and Exoplan in the guided surgery and treatment planning space. As an incentive, we're offering you a 20% discount on bone and membrane to any customer that successfully registers for any one of our virtual or in-person courses.
So if you're watching and are interested in learning more about the ZimVie education platform, I highly recommend downloading our Zimmer Biomet Dental Education app. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more about My Real Smile Today, Feel free to call, text, or email me at any time.
Amanda, thanks for the great talk
Yeah.
on education. I strongly believe in the education platform that we offer. Our focus on bringing innovative and efficient techniques and products to the market continues to set ZimVie apart from the rest of the industry.
I totally agree, Michael. It was my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thanks.